the living room. And I was walking rather fast. And as my foot swung into the living room, it hit something. It hit something rather hard. Of course, it was rather painful. Whenever I hit something with my foot, I actually get paranoid. Because I am paranoid that my nail has come off on one of my toes. That's what I think about, really, when that happens. So, when I kick something very hard on the living room, just a few minutes earlier, I look at my foot to check if the nail has come off. You know, I do something like this. You know, I wag it like that to see if it's come off. And you know what I found when I saw it? It has come off. It was rather painful.